Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can actually make $500 in a day using the dollar printer and how you can actually do it very easily. The main thing first is ensure you have analyzed the market correctly, ensure you understand the strategy you're using to avoid making losses, okay? So I'll come here, select volatility 25 for an S, and then I'll come and select digit over under, and then I'll select contract type as over. All right, I've set all my stakes, and then I come and set prediction as 2. Right, I'll put stake over 100 because again I have enough in my account. Always ensure you have enough in the account that you're using to avoid losses that might occur. All right, again our target is 1,000. Okay, we have enough in our account, but I told you guys having enough capital in your account is the hack. So ensure you have enough capital in your account to avoid losses. All right, yeah, so I've set everything prediction wise over under prediction 2, and then I just proceed and run my bot. Okay, I want to show you how I can actually make a good profit in a day. Again, it's a loss, but ensure you have enough capital in your account. Having enough capital will save your life as a trader. All right, again, never fear losses. Some losses will be there here and there, but the main thing is that you end up with a good win. Right, a good win is what will save your account. Okay, so see right now you are balanced, 3 losses, 4 wins. Okay, I know at this point many traders start panicking. Okay, they start wondering, damn, what am I doing wrong? What do I do? Okay, and so on. But again, when you have enough in your account, you will not panic, because you'll be like, okay, it's a loss, but I'll be able to recover it. Right, so never panic and never fear. Always have courage in the strategy that you're using, and ensure you have set your stop loss and target profit in a good way that will not put you in a compromising position. Okay, as you can see, that is another loss, but again, don't fear. All right, yeah, the martingale will be there, but the main thing is that you have analyzed the market correctly, and you believe and you have trusted and you have practiced enough in the strategy that you're using so that you can avoid making some losses. All right, yeah, so in this account you have about approximately $5,000. So as you can see, it puts us in a very good position. I told you guys, when you have enough in your account, you'll be able to trade without any stress. You will never experience stress when you're trading. You'll have no pressure, you'll have no stress whatsoever in your trading journey. All right, as you can see, it's another loss. All right, but you must believe in the strategy that you're using. Okay, and please have enough. Instead of blowing many small accounts, have enough in your account. As you can see right now, we're not that far away from experiencing a win. Okay, so we wait and see. We wait and see. One last run and we are out. One last run. Okay, it's a loss. Again, losses are there. This is the true and filtered version. I will not edit anything. I want you to see how actually it is difficult to make money, but it's actually very easy when you understand what you're doing and you have enough in your account. As you can see, whenever you're approaching our target profit, it is becoming difficult for us. Okay, so that is where having enough helps, because if you don't have enough, you will struggle. I'm telling you from experience, it is difficult. So yeah, let us wait and see if you can hit our target profit. Okay, yeah, now I think it's one last run. Come on, amazing, $500 in the bag. Okay, the main thing, have enough. All right, as you can see, I've spent 5,618 to trade. All right, I've not done that deep of an analysis. I've just done an overview, and as you can see, I've been able to make it. But again, you have won 29, you have lost 10, which is not bad. Okay, but again, always ensure you have enough capital. All right, now as you can see, I've already made $500 in less than 5 minutes, and I'm out. So this is about in Kenyan shillings, this is about 58,000 shillings in less than 5 minutes. So guys, look for capital. The higher the capital you have, the better it will become for you. As you can see, this market, I've not even done a very good analysis. I've just done an overview, and I've ended up making 500. If I had done a very good deep analysis, I would have made even more. All right, so guys, go trade, believe in yourself, believe in the strategy you are using, believe in yourself. As I told you guys, believing in yourself is the secret. All right, yeah, so ensure you understand the strategy you're using. I've made a lot of videos on the best over 2 strategy. I've made a lot of videos on over under. So if you want to go and check the over under videos, click on the name of the channel, go to playlist, go to over under and check out those videos. They will really open your eyes as a trader. But apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep trading, keep pushing. If you have any question about this strategy or any comment, put it down in the comment section or WhatsApp me. My number is in the description, and we'll proceed and chat. For those who need classes are ongoing. WhatsApp me if interested. For those who need bots, I'll give you more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents containing various trading strategies. Only 8. I repeat, only 8. Less than 20 USD. You get every bot and you'll stay with them for life without anyone bothering you. But apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching. So please ensure you subscribe, like, and share to anyone who you know is interested so that they don't miss out. Apart from that, thank you once again and good luck.